AI catwalk videos like these are going insanely viral right now, and this YouTube channel has already hit 32 million, 31 million, and 21 million views with them. The concept is a character from a movie or series walking alongside the actor as they look today. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself. Let's get into it. Head over to ChatGPT and click Explore GPTs. Search for AI Catwalk Video Generator and choose mine. Hit Start Chat, then click to start the generator. First, it's going to give you 10 popular movies and series to choose from. Pick one or just tell it your own idea. I'm going with number 8, Breaking Bad. Next, it gives you the top 10 main cast members. I'm going with number 1, Walter White. Finally, it gives you 10 background options. I'm choosing number 1 again, the Albuquerque Desert. Now the GPT will give you an image prompt and a video prompt. Just copy the image prompt and head over to OpenArt. The link's in the description. In OpenArt, go to Image, Create Image. Click on Model and select Nano Banana 2. Paste your prompt in. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, resolution to 2K. Choose how many images you want and hit Generate. And this is what my images look like. Look at that. Heisenberg in his prime on one side, Bryan Cranston as he looks today on the other. That's the contrast that makes these stop the scroll. So just pick the image you like most and click Image to Video. Scroll up and switch the video model to Kling 3.0. Head back to the GPT, copy the video prompt, paste it into the prompt box, make sure the audio toggle is off, set it to 5 seconds and 1080p for the output, and hit Generate. And this is what your final videos should look like. So that's the full workflow. All the links you need are in the description. If you want to see what other viral AI niches I've found, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. See you in the next one.